Mr. Right here, and thank you very much to the person who emailed in this question. If you'd like me to tackle a question which you are stumped on, then email it to me. I'll put my email address in the description of this film, or add the question to the comments on this film. Right, let's have a look at this question. Essentially, what we've got is we've got an expression here, and we have to make x the subject of that expression. We're rearranging to make x the subject. So we're going to end up with an expression which begins x equals. Now let's have a look at that in a bit more detail. Here's the question. And the problem here is that the left-hand side has got two expressions involving x, but I can't simplify those. Let's look at an example to illustrate that. Let's look at 5x subtract 2x equals 14. Well, in this case, I can simplify the left-hand side there, and so I simply have 3x equals 14, and then I can divide both sides by 3. But the problem with the question in front of us is that I can't simplify the left-hand side there. I can't combine my 4x's and my 3bx's. So I've got a problem because I have 2x's on the left-hand side, which I can't combine. So what's the answer? Well, the technique is to factorize the left-hand side to take out an x. If I take out an x there, I'm going to have x lots of 4 minus 3b. And the joy of this is that my 2x's have become 1. And so that means that now I can simply divide both sides by 4 minus 3b, which means that on the left-hand side, I'm going to have x, and on the right-hand side, I'm going to have 7 divided by 4 minus 3b, 7 over 4 minus 3b. So when you're faced with a question such as 4x minus 3bx equals 7, remember to make those two x's 1, or to factorize and divide. Fad it. If you've got a question which you're stumped on, then send it in. Send me an email or leave it as a comment on the bottom of this film. Thanks for watching. See you in the next film.